So I'm installing a CB Performance. It's a Maxi 26 full flow. And I just want to make sure that, you know, so this is going to be your inlet that's going to go on this side, and this side, well, outlet rather, coming from the pump. This is where the oil is going to go into the pump. I just want to make sure that hole is big enough. I don't want there to be any constraints. So I'm not going to get crazy with it, but I'm going to take my Dremel very, very slowly, very easily. And this is preferable to do before you have it all built up, but I've got it all taped up. But I'm just trying to get in here and kind of widen the hole just a little bit, but just at the mouth of it, not like the whole thing. You don't want to get too deep. You're going to weaken the case and all that jazz. But just want to get it a little bit wider. Definitely want to do this before you put it together. That's probably all I'm going to do. Just like I said, I wanted it to not be constrained. Definitely going to suck the crap out of that sucker. And I'm going to sand it down with some crocus cloth just to kind of make sure there's no rough edges for when I put the pump in. But that's really it. That's really all I wanted to do. Just kind of widen it just a little bit so that oil isn't hitting kind of a slight brick wall constraining it. So, all right.